We're in PyTest Cookbook Advanced Docker. The link is below. And this is how we can use depends on for example, our Postgres database. Very useful article here where I've got most of the information. And there is also a very good short video on various aspects of this here. This is where it is here. And for example, when we're setting up our API, we may want a condition for our database to be service started. That can work and that will check with the database. Or we may actually want to have a service of healthy, and in which case in the database services, we can run a health check and say that PG is ready. And if we have any migrations or any other else in the Postgres, we can also check for our depends on in that way. So where we normally have just depends on Postgres, we can actually apply some conditions to ensure that our database is at a certain stage. Good video here, good article here, very short with some examples. I hope you found that useful.